Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everybody. First of all, if you guys could please like this video, leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps the channel out, helps get more subscribers, and make the video more viewable to people that haven't subscribed yet. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. Carmen's putting some stuff in her new purse, in her new pajamas. You can see our Christmas tree. Excuse the mess, guys. And we got a little bit of snow. Just a little bit of snow outside. Not as much as Whatcom County, but down here by the lake, it's just a few degrees warmer than up north. So today, Carmen got me a hot sauce collection, and they're pretty hot. Came with like this little wheel you can spin and kind of make a game out of it with little shot glasses, but we're going to disregard that. I did try all these hot sauces earlier with some chips, and 3 of them are pretty hot. Not the hottest thing I've ever eaten, but pretty hot. 3 of them were like not too bad, but 3 of them are definitely pretty hot. So I also had a Paqui 1-chip challenge left over from last year. It is actually, it's not expired. It doesn't have an expiration, but it does say best by. And we're well past that date. It was January and it is December. So, but I remember even when I did it, it felt like they were kind of stale. So I don't really think that it matters. It's just a hot chip. So basically, this is the 1-chip challenge. I'm going to put it in this mixing bowl and I'm going to marinate it with all these hot sauces. So we have Attack Mode, Mango Habanero. We have Boss Battle Chipotle. We got a Level Up High Voltage Habanero. We have the System Overload Extra Hot. And we have the Danger Extreme Temperature Jalapeno. And we have the Level Up Game Over Garlic. Now, Game Over was by far the hottest of the 6 hot sauces. So we are going to put the chip inside this bowl, let it marinate for a couple minutes with some hot sauce, and we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. I'm going to eat the chip, and I'm going to try to go the full 10 minutes, guys. Last time I did this, I ended up on the floor in crucial pain because I had nothing to eat prior. So I think it was like burning the inside stomach lining of my body. So hopefully, I ate a little bit ago, so hopefully I have enough in me to digest and absorb the spiciness so it doesn't burn my insides. But I'm probably going to cry, guys, so don't make fun of me. I do have some 2% milk, some water, and a Pepsi ready to go at any time because I may be a big chicken. So anyways, let's open up the chip. So what to expect: a spicy punch to the tongue, a fiery jab to the face, impaired vision from tears, a low blow to the gut. Exactly. So the chip comes sealed inside this wrapper, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect it. Whew. All right, guys, it's already opened up. So it actually does look a little cracked, but that's okay. I'm just going to eat it for you guys. See if I can get it out of here. So it's about in 3 pieces, but that's okay, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and eat all 3 pieces fairly quick. So you ready for this, baby?
Yeah, kinda.
I don't know, you guys can't smell it, but I can already smell all this hot stuff. It's like almost making me tear just right here. So we're gonna take some mango habanero. We're gonna take some Boss Battle. And these are all above average hot sauces. Some High Voltage. We're gonna take some System Overload. Some Extreme Temperature Danger. That was one of the hottest. And I thought this was the hottest, the Game Over Garlic. So, you can see the chip is completely submerged. I'm gonna stir it up. Look at this, baby. Oh.
That's nasty.
You want to just lick it?
No.
You don't want a little lick?
No, I can smell it from here. It's disgusting.
Oh,
Okay.
that's enough to make you cry right there. All right, guys. You can see all 3 pieces are completely coated in all of these hot sauces. Little hot sauce on my finger. Little warm up. I got some napkins. She's got 911 on speed dial, just in case I, fall over and croak. She's got the title to all my vehicles, so hit her up for some deals. I'm sure she'll sell them cheap. She doesn't know what they're worth. We're gonna go ahead and start the timer, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat it as fast as I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and start.
Is it good?
Oh yeah. The 3rd piece. Oh yeah. Napkin. Whew. Oh yeah, she's hot. She is really hot.
Thanks, babe.
Hey babe, come over here and give me a kiss.
No.
She don't want to make out with me right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Whew, 1 minute down. Whew. Baby, come over here and give me a kiss.
Give the cat a kiss.
Oh. Whew. Oh. She turned the heat on. Whew. I'm tearing. My mouth is on fire. My lips feel puffy. My mouth is just creating saliva. She thinks I'm an idiot. I think I'm pretty cool. I live for hot food, guys. This is a little beyond hot food. Okay. I just got extremely lightheaded. I'm probably not controlling my breathing like I should. If I had COVID, this just took it out.
How you doing, babe?
Pretty good. Everybody's COVID shots and boosters don't have anything on this. This is 100% guaranteed.
You're still talking, so you're doing good.
To be 100% effective. Oh yeah, that's some good dip for later. Okay, I'm getting a little dizzy. I'm gonna take a knee. My nose is running. What are we at? 7 minutes. My eyes are running. My nose is running. I'm coughing. My mouth's creating saliva. I can feel a burning sensation in my mouth, my lips.
Your lips start
Down my esophagus.
Did your lips start getting numb this time?
Oh yeah.
Last time they got numb right away.
I'm getting lightheaded. I'm starting to see like mirages and stuff. I can see this beautiful angel over there wearing a onesie. I'm getting extremely lightheaded, guys. I might pass out.
Not.
I'm a goner. If I pass out, she can't lift me.
And there's
I'm just
snow
gonna
and ice.
wipe my eyes. Whew. Whew. Oh man, this is no joke, guys. Whew. can feel it take over my body. My arm hairs are starting to stick up. I want to drink these really bad, but for your guys' sake and entertainment, I'm just gonna suffer for another 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Give me a kiss, baby. At least give me a hug.
I'll give you a hug.
She's gonna give me a hug, just in case I die.
I love you.
I love you. All right.
Okay.
Ooh, I'm dizzy. Wow. How are you guys doing? Because I'm not doing. Excuse me if I look like a mess. I can't wait to drink the milk. I'm extremely lightheaded. There's like a sensation going through, like I could faint, like my body is, like my soul is leaving my body. Whew. I love this hot sauce though. I like to put hot sauce on my breakfast, on my eggs, on my toast, on anything cheesy, mac and cheese, grilled cheese sandwiches, you name it. I put hot sauce on just about everything. These are well above your average Tapatio and Tabasco sauces. I'd rate Tapatio and Tabasco at like a 1. These are probably like around an 8. The one chip challenge I would say is about a 10. Solid 10. Whew. Whew. So they're saying if you last 5 minutes, you're a featherweight, 30 minutes, a middleweight, 10 minutes, a lightweight, and 1 hour, a heavyweight. I feel like after that long, it starts to wear off, but I think those first 5 minutes were the hardest. We got 3 minutes and 42 seconds left, and we're not doing too bad. I feel like my soul is starting to re-enter my body. Whew. Whew. I don't know if it's any spice here because it's expired. I was gonna save that and give it away to somebody for a gift, but
What if something happened to somebody, you'd feel horrible?
right?
Right, if something happened to somebody, you'd feel horrible.
Inside one extremely hot tortilla chip. It's Carolina Reaper. Whew. I'm gonna read the warning on the back, guys. Do not eat if you are sensitive to spicy foods, allergic to peppers, nightshades, akapsakin, I can't read that, or are pregnant or have any medical conditions. Keep out of reach of children. After touching the chip, wash your hands with soap and do not touch your eyes or any other sensitive areas. Wink, wink. Don't go to the bathroom yet. Seek medical assistance should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extended nausea. Pretty sure I'm experiencing those last few things alone. But if I go out, at least I went out doing what I love most. Spending time with my lovely girlfriend and eating spicy food. Woo! Woo! I don't recommend that to anybody. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this leftover, but whew. Oh, where are we at? Got 1 minute and 43 seconds left, and it's starting to wear off a little bit, but I definitely feel lightheaded and hot. Like it feels like like she turned the heat up. It feels about 80, 85 degrees in here, and it's probably only like mid 60s. Oh. Whew. I can't wait for the milk. We're almost at it, guys. Just a minute left.
you got left?
A minute. A little under a minute.
How do you feel?
Extremely lightheaded, like I could faint. Like if I closed my eyes for too long, pass out.
You haven't drank any of the
I
milk
haven't drank
yet?
anything yet.
At least you made it. You lived.
Well, last time I almost died about 20 to 30 minutes after the fact, so I'm hoping I got enough food inside my body to absorb the hotness. Otherwise, I just OD'd on hot food.
Yeah. And I'm not trying to drive in the snow.
No. All right,
So
I'm gonna
better
go
be
check
good.
the timer. Okay, I think I made it, guys. I'm gonna drink the milk.
You're probably puke.
Still hot. Woo! All right, guys, that's it. Pray for me. I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face before I give her any kisses. Please like this video, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron, though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do. Baby, please think it through, drink it up, enjoy the view.